Hi, I'm Carl Weiss with Sceeto, and we're the makers of NinjaBots, which you see here on an ES chart in NinjaTrader 8. This is the NinjaBots deployment panel, and the different color codes you see on the indicators are the latest suite of advanced order flow algorithms that ships with NinjaBots. We've just published a user manual, an online user manual for NinjaBots. What I like about the approach that we've taken is that we tried to arrange all the data so it would be easy to navigate and for you to find what you need very quickly. So we have each article listed by a category: technical support for how to get set up, an overview, vital insights, how to use. So this is how to operate things, which buttons to click, how to configure, getting your alerts all set up. And then we have sections on each of the order flow algorithms that ships with NinjaBots, and you want to be able to get your heads around it. So we also have some articles that I think are pretty interesting, going over what we've learned about order flow for the last few years or the decade, and then some specific articles or pages on how or when to deploy your NinjaBots and why. And if you'll see in here, we have basically a workflow, a very specific workflow that we use to deploy bots. And it's a 3-step model: alert, assess, and then activate. The first thing is an alert, and NinjaTrader or NinjaBots comes with alerts. You'll want to hear when there are certain events in order flow to let you know, hey, go look at the chart. We really don't want you staring at the chart all day long. So if there's a particular event, like a massive amount of book pressure comes in, or a sweep, or 2SD comes into the order book, NinjaBots will give you an audio alert, or you can get an email alert, whatever you'd like. When you get that alert, you'll go to your chart and assess the situation. If you look at it and you're like, oh gosh, we're coming into a right shoulder, you'll use this cheat sheet to know which bot to deploy. And this cheat sheet, I think, is very good because it pretty much gives you a sense of, like, in a trend, what should you deploy. One thing you do is you want to see, in an uptrend, you'd want to see the downtrend conclude. And at the reversal, you'll want to see a lot of conclusionary order flow coming in and then new buying coming in. You'd want to measure the excursion. Hey, if we had buying and we had conclusionary selling, how far did this puppy go up? I think for the first leg in an ES on a 3-tick chart, I'd want it at least 11 or 12 ticks before I think, hey, we may have an up move. And if we do have a lot of nice conclusionary selling, on the pullback, I'm going to want to ignite a long bot with pivots to try to catch the right shoulder. After that, the next bot I'm going to want to enable is a long bot without pivots, because I'm going to try to get the breach of the neckline. And when price is over here at the neckline, that's when I'm going to want to pop on that bot. And then during the pullbacks of an uptrend, I'm going to look for ABC pullbacks where C has conclusionary. And you'll get a handle. We have some other information on conclusionary order flow, and then take that back up. So there's a lot of cool articles in here. There's more insights about ABCs in a trend and breach trades. I'm going to write this NinjaBots for Ludwig levels over the next couple of days, and these articles down here haven't been fully completed yet, but there are some examples we're putting in here just so you can see what and where to get in and why. So I hope this helps. Talk to you soon.